Dark energy makes up 70% of the universe, but what if it just switched off suddenly? Guess what happens next in this cosmic catastrophe unfolding? The expansion of the universe would slow down gradually, then reverse, causing everything to collapse in on itself eventually, leading to a catastrophic finale very slowly. Galaxies would start hurtling towards each other, like cosmic cars on a collision course, creating immense gravitational waves and distortions in space-time. Our Milky Way would merge with Andromeda soon, creating a cosmic mess of stars, planets, and mysterious dark matter slowly. The cosmic microwave background radiation would change, like a universe-wide game of telephone. As matter gets squished, the fundamental laws of physics as we know them would start to dramatically break down, causing unforeseen consequences. Black holes would grow like cosmic Pac-Men, slowly gobbling up nearby stars, galaxies, and surrounding cosmic dust, creating vast, mysterious voids. The fabric of space-time would get all wrinkly and distorted, like a used tissue crumpled up and tossed aside carelessly, revealing complex patterns. Time itself would start to get wonky, with clocks running haywire like they're possessed by some supernatural force, causing widespread chaos and pandemonium everywhere instantly always. The universe's entropy would plummet like a roller coaster ride to order and neatness, suddenly transforming chaos into harmony, as serenity descends, and perfectly aligning the celestial bodies. As galaxies collide, new stars would form spectacularly, like cosmic fireworks on steroids, creating vibrant celestial displays that captivate astronomers worldwide with breathtaking beauty and complexity. Some planets might get flung into the void, becoming rogue orphans in the vast expanse of dark, silent space, losing their celestial anchors. Others would get scorched by nearby stars, like cosmic toast burning slowly in the intense oven heat, causing irreversible damage instantly. The cosmic crunch would get closer, and our solar system might get flung into the fray suddenly, with catastrophic consequences unfolding slowly, causing widespread destruction and chaos everywhere nearby. Earth's fate would be sealed, like a precious letter in a vast cosmic bottle, tossed gently into the dark, mysterious void, forever lost. Maybe we'd get consumed by a massive black hole, or maybe we'd just get squished slowly by the cosmic vice, feeling every fiber tearing apart. Either way, the party's over now, and it's truly time to say a heartfelt goodbye to our cosmic home, slowly drifting away into the vast, dark universe. Dark energy's absence would rewrite the universe's script dramatically, like an editor on a cosmic scale, reshaping reality itself completely, altering everything forever, fundamentally, always. It'd be like the ultimate reboot, with matter, energy, and space getting a radical overhaul, transforming everything instantly, completely. The universe would become a cosmic game of Jenga, with pieces flying everywhere, creating chaotic destruction and unpredictable outcomes, causing widespread panic and alarm suddenly. Quarks would get squished rapidly, leptons would get extremely excited, and the whole particle zoo would go absolutely wild with energetic vibrations. Atoms would get compressed slowly, and new particles might emerge like a cosmic game of mix and match, releasing untold energies and transforming matter entirely forever. As matter gets crunched, the fundamental forces would get all jumbled, like a cosmic salad being stirred by intense gravitational waves violently. The density would become utterly absurd, like a neutron star packed into a sugar cube, creating an intense, surreal atmosphere that defies normal understanding. If dark energy just vanished suddenly, our understanding of fundamental physics would be turned on its head completely, causing widespread chaos instantly. The very fabric of reality would be rewritten, like a cosmic author's masterpiece, unfolding mysteriously as dimensions merged slowly. It's a mind-bending thought experiment that'll leave you questioning the cosmos, its fate, and the very fabric of reality slowly unraveling. So, what if dark energy just switched off suddenly? Well, hold on to your seat tightly because it's going to be very bumpy and chaotic, potentially destroying everything. In this crazy universe, anything can happen suddenly, and we're just along for the cosmic ride, experiencing unexpected twists and profound revelations that shake us. Now, share this mind-blowing fact fest with friends and family, and blow their minds too. Explore fascinating discoveries together, igniting meaningful conversations and creating unforgettable moments that will last.